Welcome to my channel Gardening is my love. Today let us learn something new. Friends, welcome to my channel Gardening is my love. Please like, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed. So today I am going to explain you about Adenium plant. It is known as desert rose. Its botanical name is Adenium obesum. So this is the plant what I am going to speak about today. And today I focus on the two techniques of propagating this plant. So one way of propagating is you cut a stem from the plant and you can propagate using this stem. The second way of propagating is from seeds. So here I have a collection of seeds, so you can just have a view. So these are the seeds of Adenium plant. Usually Adenium plant, when it is very healthy and growing, from the flower you can pollinate and get pods. So from the pods I have collected these seeds. So from healthy plants you can get this, but usually it requires pollination. So now let me come to the second part, that is how do you propagate from seeds. So now here in my previous experiment what I have done is I have already propagated. You see healthy Adenium plants are just germinating. So see, in 3 pots I have already planted and everything it is germinating. And next thing is, to germinate these seeds it requires lot of care. So now you can use either coco peat. So this is I have taken coco peat for germinating. So you can also use sand as a mixture, sand and soil mixture you have to use. So now I have taken a small pot like the previous one. So this pot I am going to use for a germination of seeds. I have around some 15-20 seeds. So what I will do here is I will sow some 10 seeds. So first let me fill the pot with the whatever coco peat is here. So I fill till the brim. So I continue to fill. So I am filling the pot with up to the brim. So press it inside and it should be well draining. Water should not contain in the pot, it should be going out. So this is a well drained pot. And Adenium is a very beautiful plant with the variety of colors, with single petal, double petal. So it is also a beauty in the cactus world. So now, I take the seeds. So before I take the seeds, let me introduce you to a fungicide. So I am using this fungicide. It is from Bevestin. So either I can sprinkle this on the top, so that my plants do not get a fungal infection. So I sprinkle on the top. So that is enough. Or you can also put the Bevestin powder or fungicide into the sprinkler, shake it well, and you can sprinkle water. So that is another way. So now let me collect the big seeds whichever are possible. I am collecting some 10 big seeds from the collection. So you can see these seeds. So these are the seeds. So big seeds, what I am going to do is, first don't put the seeds very deep. So just push it in inside. Let them not go very deep. I am just planting them inside. Don't push it very deep. So sufficient number of seeds I have put in, around 10 seeds. So next step is, so I use the sprinkler and sprinkle water to give the moisture. So I sprinkled water. Now the moisture is retained on the top. Now you can also see the same thing I have done on an egg tray. You see all plants are germinating, see. So on the egg tray I had placed lot of seeds, and you can see the germination of seeds. So all seeds are germinating. Yeah. And if you are going to a nursery to buy one adenium plant, it costs around 400 to 500 rupees. Yeah. So therefore you can grow them at home with the seeds. And in this adenium there is a bulb at the bottom. So this bulb is called as the codex, which retains all the moisture and energy. Even if you don't water for a month, nothing will happen to this plant. This is a desert rose plant. So even if you do not water for 15-30 days, you don't give any soil, you just hang it on a thread, yeah, it does not get spoiled. But infections can spoil this codex. Codex is full of energy. Yeah, so that is the first part. So seeds I have already sown, and it may take 7 to 10 days for germination. So this is just 15 days old. Yeah, germinated beautifully. Now let me come to the second important part. You can also cut, yeah, you can also cut a stem or a branch from the plant, and you can grow. But always use a sterilize your scissors is possible, because yeah, fungicide or other infections may catch. So now you can use Dettol for sterilization, or you can also use fire. Yeah. So now second part is I will use the same pot, because I already put coco peat. Yeah. So before just planting it, you have to follow one procedure. Yeah. Just open the fungicide. Yeah. Just dip that in the fungicide so that the cutting does not get rotten. Yeah, very fresh cutting you should not place. You just keep the cutting for just 1 day before you planting. I had taken this cutting in the morning, I have left it. Fresh means it can get rotten, so I have dipped in the powder. Next step is I just make a hole somewhere at the center. Yeah, slightly deep you make. Yeah, place it down and just press it. Yeah, this will take more time, yeah, for the roots to develop, and seeds will germinate faster. So this is how. Yeah. So now I keep it in partial sun for next 15 days. Yeah. So now when we continue further, yeah, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, press the bell icon. Yeah. Since there is a demand for Hindi version of adenium propagation, so I will come up with another video, yeah, with all the content in Hindi. So thanks for watching this channel. Yeah, continue to support me. Keep on watching the channel. So thank you.